Things have changed since the days of Sherlock Holmes. To speed up the pursuit of criminals, modern detectives have the benefit of on-the-spot, real-time forensic tools, such as this optical device, which quickly scans and identifies fingerprints. Digging up the past, like police work, is a painstaking job, but also stands to benefit from the introduction of state-of-the-art technology. In traditional digs, archaeologists excavate in mapped-out and measured areas. Because they must later carry their findings piece by piece back to the lab for dating and analysis, each discovery must be carefully collected and labelled, a process that may take weeks or even years. In the mountains of Galilee, where some of the oldest remains of human settlement have been found, a multidisciplinary team is employing an efficient new method of analysis that may revolutionize the study of prehistory. In this case, for the first time ever, the laboratory has, so to speak, come to the mountain. A crew from the Weizmann Institute of Science, working together with researchers from the United States and France, is scrutinizing the contents of this site known as the Hayunim Cave. Instead of gathering samples for later analysis, a Weizmann expert in both structural biology and geology, Professor Steve Weiner, has introduced the idea of using a portable lab on site, an original concept that opens new avenues for the study of the ancient past. In particular, the researchers can now study the refuse of past human habitation, such as animal bones and ashes, which offer valuable clues to the lifestyles of prehistoric inhabitants. Samples collected from the layers deposited over time are ready for analysis within 10 minutes. The mobile lab consists of a spectrometer which emits infrared rays whose absorption patterns provide vital data about the composition of the samples, and a personal computer equipped with special software for mineral identification.
Doing the things in real time makes a major change not only in the interpretation of the finds, but also in the excavation techniques and strategies as they change from day to day.
The portable lab is already attracting international attention. In a workshop held recently, archaeologists from 7 countries spent several days on the Weizmann campus and in the field, learning how to apply the technique to a wide range of projects. The treasures of Israel's rich past have long made it one of the world's prime excavation sites. So it is particularly fitting that an Israeli scientist should be the one to come up with the ingenious method that advances archaeological research and sheds new light on the age-old secrets long hidden by the shifting sands of time. Calcium may be good for you, but no one wants it in his morning coffee. Yet it's hard to avoid. Even underground, calcium precipitating out of drops of water over millions of years is what forms the beautiful stalactites and stalagmites which attract visitors to caves such as these. So-called soft water has less calcium, hard water more. It's the calcium in hard water that clogs our plumbing and scales our pipes. Both at home and in industry, hard water also requires significantly more environmentally undesirable detergents to create sufficient suds. The hard water problem has spawned a multi-million-dollar industry. In Europe and the United States alone, some $850 million a year is spent on water softening equipment. But conventional methods produce enormous amounts of sludge or brine, tons of which are trucked and dumped to create insidious, invisible pollution. A simple solution may now be at hand. An expert in separation processes and desalination has shown that the pollution problem can be overcome. Professor Ora Kedem of Israel's Weizmann Institute of Science, working together with local industry, has developed a method called cake filtration to clear calcium from water. Caustic soda is added to tap water, creating a supersaturated solution. The solution then passes through a cake filter composed of chalk, where new crystals are formed and trapped and the filtering completed. The process takes only a few seconds and leaves behind no polluting residues. The result, clear, calcium-free water. The Municipal Waterworks of Hamburg in Germany is one of several sites worldwide where the new system, manufactured by an Israeli firm, is being tested. In addition to the high-speed, low-cost and environmental benefits of cake filtration, the installations are only 1/10 the size of most previously used equipment. Weizmann Institute initiative is keeping up with the times, making it possible for us to enjoy the benefits of modern technology without further harming our precious water reserves.